You're going to see how little covering a projector actually affects the output. So, if you watch the output, I lower this down. It doesn't actually affect the cutoff until right about there. And that's a good 1.5 inches down from the top of the turn signal output. And then when we come from the bottom, the main light output doesn't really get affected until you're above the whatchamacallit. As you can see, there still is light output down to there, and it continues out. So about 2 feet from the car, which is jacked up, so lower it if you want to. I have about, light starts to appear about 12 inches off the ground. They will be fully adjustable, so I can go up, down. I mean, this is like pointed almost at the ground, and it's still shining through the hole. And then here's it outside of the hole. Ah, shit. Never mind. I unplugged it.